Hi students, let us see now examples on the preprocessor directives. Okay, so regarding the theory, you can find it in the another video. Let's see the program examples. So we have the various preprocessor directives here. What is this hash? So here hash is called a preprocessor. Means before the processor, the corresponding code will be executed for this one. And this include it's a one directive, preprocessor directive. So we know that the use of this hash include preprocessor directive is to include header files. Okay, so the functionality of these built-in functions like printf and the scanf, these functions are definitions are available inside this stdio.h. Okay, standard input output header file like conio.h get ch function and the clr function, which has the definitions of those functions. So the purpose of this hash include preprocessor directive is used to include the header files. In the same way, we have the one more directive called here hash define. What is the purpose of hash define? If you like to define a macros, then we require the hash define preprocessor directive. This is called a macro variable, and this is the macro value. Okay, so what I do is in place of this 3.14, I can use this variable called pi. Like I would like to find out the area and the perimeter of a circle. So we have I'm reading the radius here. After that, circle area, we have the formula called pi r square and the perimeter equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so we know that this pi value 3.14 is a universal constant. So I don't want to modify this value here. Okay, so if I declare a macro like this, what is the advantage? This is a constant. Okay, this is a constant. So when you are trying to write a statement like here, pi equal to something value 100. Okay, what happens here? It shows an error. Okay, if you are trying to modify the value of this pi variable, it shows an error. So the constant values can be defined with the help of this hash define preprocessor directive. It's like a const keyword in C++ and final keyword in Java. Okay, so in place of this pi variable, here 3.14 is replaced. But if you declare the float pi equal to 3.14, what happens? This statement is valid, doesn't show any error, because this is the variable. I can modify that variable at any time. Okay, to avoid this one, if you don't want to change modify the value of the variables, you define using the hash define preprocessor directive. Let's check it here. Something radius value I'm giving as a 5, separating the circle area and the perimeter. Okay,